Yeah, because like he was sort of consistent in his use of tense. Because when we're talking about our experience or talking about a specific example, we tend to use past. But when we are commenting on that experience, we tend to use a present tense. So actually, we tend to mix up the tense. So you have to pay attention to your tense. Eventually, you're giving a prepared talk. You have time to prepare to write a script. Then you should pay attention to that. All right, tense. Otherwise, native speakers will have problem understanding your talk because you switch your tense. You sort of mess up with the tense. And also for the comparative, some complex comparative structures like as many as blah 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 or the same as blah blah blah. You have to pay attention to the grammar. What are you comparing? Like the students? Are you comparing the students with the problem of students and stuff? Right? And also, it's a minor point. We tend to overuse infinitive, 不定词. Like I have a part-time job teaching elementary school kids. Now I have a part-time job to teach. Because when you're saying to teach, that means you in order to teach. Like I have a part-time job in order to teach. That would be a bit weird. So have to pay attention to that. Okay, so that's so much for grammar. And also about wording. Yeah, see, I say I'm being picky here. So like, but I'll teach you. I don't think native speakers use that word like I'll teach you. So they'll use like something like I'll tell you or I'll share with you. They don't say like I'll teach you. And also colorful. Like Taiwanese speakers tend to use colorful. But I heard one of my native speaker friends say that actually they don't use that word so much to describe a wonderful or splendid life. So you can try to find a better word actually. Okay, but also motorcycle. We talk about a lot of motorcycles here, but actually what we are driving is scooter. It's a scooter. So it's actually a scooter. It's not a motorcycle. It's not really a motorcycle. So it's a scooter. Also some PC problem. Bachelor's Day is somewhat male-oriented. It should be like Singles Day. It'll be more like gender neutral. Bachelor is only for males. And also, one of you used the phrase on the one hand, and on the other hand, actually when we're using these phrases, we're actually comparing or contrasting things. When you're not contrasting things, you don't use that phrase. And also am I running out of time? All right. So that's some suggestions for you. Like for example, when at the beginning, the president wants to yield the floor to the master, the hosts, then you can say, "I'll yield the floor to the hosts." That would be one expression that you can learn to use. Like yield the floor. The floor is yours. The floor is open to you. And sixth grader. When you're talking about like elementary school, like you can say, when I was a sixth grader, then we just put the ER after the sixth grade. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.